have already subscribed, welcome back. I'm very happy you are here, and today I have something different that I tried in my first video, but if you remember, it did not work out the way I wanted it to. So I will show you this particular piece that I have made. So this is a Dutch pour that I tried. So today I will be making sister paintings for it. So it is going to be a triptych, and the background for this painting was peach, and one painting will be white and one will be pastel yellow. So let's see, and I will be using same colors, the colors that I have used here. Same colors I will be using on both, but I'll just change the background for these. Let's get started and let's see how this will turn out. Hoping for the best. I will just tell you about my colors, how I made them. So this is the yellow that I will be using for the base here for one of my piece, and I have made this by mixing white and yellow ochre. I have mixed all my paints only using water and paint. I did not use any pouring medium. I might use the pouring medium in future, but this time I just worked with water to know the difference. Next time when I will be using either Floetrol or some other pouring medium, I will know the difference. And here we have titanium white, pure titanium white mixed with water. Here we have cobalt blue, and this is permanent orange. And now I think I don't have enough. It's okay. In my last painting, when I painted this, I will tell you, just a minute. In this corner, right here, my orange color was so dominant that I had to scrape this part off and add a blue to it to manage the color theme. And my yellow was not seen anywhere, it disappeared, so I fiddled with it, I worked on it. So now I know how exactly I should. I think I know. Let's see. I think I know how it will work. Last time my paints were little on a thinner side. So this time I have mixed more pigment to it and I have made them little thicker than last time. This is my gold. Here we have yellow ochre. And here we have burnt umber. Oh, and I'll show you something, wait. Oh, without moving my camera. If I can. Here I have my blow dryer, and as you can see, this is the attachment I have made myself, because I searched for this kind of attachment on Amazon and on Flipkart both, but I was unable to find, and the size of my blow dryer is extremely small. So you see, so the attachment was not available anywhere. So I just decided then to simply make my own using cardboard. You see, desperate times, you have to come up with new ideas, innovative ideas, and you have to sometimes manage with what you have. So I have made my own attachment. Okay, now let's get started. So let's decide the order. I will go with this first, burnt umber. Then I'll go with yellow ochre. Then I will be using, where is my peach? I cannot see my peach color. Where is my peach? Okay, let me get that. Wait. Okay, here it is. I have made this peach color by using red, yellow and white. So I did not have peach, so I made my own. I think I will be using I don't think peach and yellow will go together. For some reason I feel they will not look good together, even though this peach and orange obviously they complement each other. If I go with burnt umber and then yellow, and then I want my gold to be last because I want it to be very pretty prominent. And why I don't want to keep my blue and yellow together, because they will mix and it will make green color instead of making yellow. Yellow will not be seen, blue will not be seen. Maybe blue will be seen because it's a very dominant color, but yellow will hide and it will turn into green. So I'm avoiding yellow and blue together. Okay, then let's go with this. Is it okay? White base, peach, yellow base, and brown. I mean burnt umber, and then yellow, orange, peach, blue, gold. I might put blue even. Gold. I might put gold in the middle of somewhere orange and peach, I think, because last time when I tried the other painting, my gold and my orange were amazing together, so they complemented amazingly. So I might use gold twice, if I remember. I hope I remember. All right, let's go. Okay, I'm going to flood the canvas now because I did remove extra paint, so I will just flood it very slightly so that it will get some color to flow. Okay, showtime. Let's see. I will move these because they are empty now and they might fall. I will just move these out of my way. Okay, fingers crossed. Now how I want to go. Let's see. Where are you, gold? Oh my gold, where are you? There you are. There you are. Okay, there we have gold. Don't touch it. Where? Okay. All right. I think it's okay. Even though I wouldn't say that I love the composition, I could have been better, but it's okay. What else do I want to do? I don't think I want to touch anything else. I'll just bring you guys down and show you how it looks. So I'm back, and here you go. You see this gold? It's going to shine after it gets dry, specifically in yellow lighting. And here we have the sides. And you see this one here, this was the cell thing I was talking about, that I did have a cell reaction on this painting. See these little, if you see the bubbles, I cannot burst. If I had a torch and I would burst these bubbles, they would have given me amazing cells. But because I do not have a torch, I'm not able to get the cells. You see, here I have cells as well. And this is gold. Again, it will shine after it's dry. Let's see if we have cells on this one. We have so many bubbles, and these would have formed cells. Nope. Zero cell reaction. So do suggest me what combinations do you want me to do, and I will be doing a diptych. I mean the 2 canvas painting. So suggest me what combinations do you want to see, and let's see what are the views of my viewers. And I want to know what you guys are interested in, and according to you, what you think, which colors will complement each other, and what theme you want to see. For example, if you would say a fall theme, so that will include all the fall colors. So that's it for the video, guys, and do give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to comment and press the bell icon so that you will be notified whenever I post the next video. And thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.